Good morning, and welcome to Sydney. It's a crisp weekday morning, and today, we are taking a stroll along one of the city's most iconic streets, Martin Place. Right in the heart of the CBD, this pedestrian boulevard brings together business, history, and everyday city life. As we step into Martin Place, the first thing you notice is the rhythm of the morning. There's a quiet energy here, focused and purposeful, yet familiar and comforting. This is Pitt Street. Take a look around, and you'll see the city's architectural heritage on full display. Classic sandstone buildings from the early 20th century stand side by side with sleek modern skyscrapers. Martin Place isn't just a commercial hub, it's also a place for gathering and reflection. As we continue, the street opens into a wider space, offering a rare sense of breathing room in the CBD. Each weekday morning, streams of people emerge from buses and from Martin Place station, making their way up into the light, moving briskly toward offices, cafes, and meetings. A vivid snapshot of Sydney's daily commute. Look up, and you'll notice the blend of styles that makes Martin Place so distinctive. Historic facades with intricate detailing sit alongside minimalist glass towers. Each building tells its own story, and together, they create a dialogue between past and present. This is Castlereagh Street. On the right, you'll see the Australian Securities Exchange, the ASX, the heart of Australia's financial markets, where the city's business day truly begins. This is Elizabeth Street. Right in front of us is the former 7 Network studio. You might remember the large glass windows with presenters broadcasting live to the street. After nearly 2 decades here at Martin Place, the studios have since moved to a new purpose-built facility in South Eveleigh, just south of the CBD. On the far left, you'll see the Reserve Bank of Australia, the RBA. We are now walking along Elizabeth Street. From here, we'll be taking bus route 333 straight to Bondi Beach. And that will be the journey in our next video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next chapter of our journey, Bondi Beach.